make slime. And I seriously just, like, I did nothing. Seriously. Well, I did something, but, like, I was just doing something, and then I was like, okay, this probably won't make slime, but whatever. So I thought it was just going to be liquidy, but this sticky stuff, and you can see it kind of goes on your hand, but it's not that much. That's a lot. But you can just, like, squeeze it right off. See that? Seriously, it only takes 2 ingredients, like 2, to make this goo. And I seriously did not get it from the video. I was just like doing something and I was like, okay, let's just try this out. So remember to try before you give up. So if you don't, you might not get it. So I just made a little piece at first, like that much. And then I was like, okay, whoa, I need to make more. So let's get on with the ingredients. So let me move this away. The ingredients you need is this strawberry shampoo and baking soda. Then first you're going to be like, okay, this totally didn't work. And then you mix it really good, like, well, yeah, mix it really good, and then you start seeing like that. And then you touch your finger. Perfect. Right now it's not taking anything, so that's really good. Only like 3 specks. See that? That's cool. That's cool, guys. Give this video a thumbs up. Thank you.